Hey guys, quick little fun video today. My first unboxing video. Ooh, fancy. I ordered some stuff from Sallie Tomato and then, of course, my trusty Fabric Funhouse. So I hope that you enjoy. So let's see what's in this box. It's been so long since I've ordered it. Let's see, it was delivered on the 23rd of April, or sent, whatever. It's been a few weeks. And if you know me in person, then you know that I do not have a good memory. So I know that I got some zipper by the yard, but I don't remember what else I got. So let's see what's in this bad boy. So this is from Sallie Tomato. I think this is my first time ordering from her, to be honest, because I don't usually use Zipper by the Yard, and she was running that sale, so I took the plunge. Let's see. She gave me a coupon. Oh, let's see. Oh, I thought it was already expired, but it's very close to expired. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, okay. So I got these 1/2-inch zipper ends. Forgot that I got these for sure. So those will be fun to try out. Those little screws look like a nightmare. Better not lose those. Let's see. Ooh, okay. So I got my antique gold with black tape and my zipper pulls. I'm pretty sure I ordered these extra. Oh no, I ordered these extra. So I got these giant donut zipper pulls, which I've always loved seeing them on other people's stuff, so excited to try them out. But I like the zipper pulls that come with it too. Those are nice. They're big. So like compared to, here's like the actual metal zippers that I use all the time. I get these from Zip It, which I love them as well. But the pull is nowhere near as long or as wide as these, so I think that'll be a nice change. All right, so I've got, ooh, the Eggplant Purple with antique. Ooh, okay, antique zipper caps. Looks like I was doing some planning, which is kind of surprising. What did I get here? Okay, so Eggplant with stainless. Sounds like these are real metal too, which is nice. I think I was expecting them to be plastic since the teeth are nylon, but that's nice. It sounds like they're real metal. Oh, gray and gunmetal. Huh, I'm kind of surprised I ordered that. I don't usually ever work with gunmetal just because I don't have a bunch of hardware, but this will be good for like wristlets or anything that doesn't need a lot of hardware. And then I got gray and stainless. What else we got here? Oh, some more donut pulls, but in stainless. Ooh, burgundy with antique. That's a nice combo. And then black on black, which I like that a lot. Might make myself something out of that. So black on black, it's my jam. Awesome. Well, that is my haul from Sallie Tomato. Not too bad. Let's check out. This is my most recent order of cork. I figured, ouch, might as well open it with you guys. And then that way, if you've ever ordered from, or if you've never ordered from Fabric Funhouse, you can see how they package and all that fun stuff. Ooh, they actually rolled it for me nicely. This is awesome. Usually when I order from Fabric Funhouse, it comes in one big roll and then it's wrapped in plastic But I try to be as sustainable as possible and use the least amount of plastic and just be really mindful of my consumption. And they wrapped it for me. Or they rolled it for me. That was so nice. So this is what it looks like. All this Cork deliciousness. I don't even remember how many I ordered. Oh, I think I got 5 eggplant. Ouch. This new sandstone. This is incredible. I love this. It's so soft. It almost has like a light pink sheen to it, almost like a blush with the gray, with the darker gray. It's so pretty. I have yet to see that one before. Oh, and then I broke down and I bought some of these. The ladybugs and the poppies and the sunflowers. I think this will be cute for something. I don't know for what yet, but love that. Oh yeah, and then I have a custom order, so I got the python. I don't remember what color this is. My customer went onto their website and picked these out, and this is the matching for it. That is going to be a mini box tote. Those two with natural. Oh, I forgot I ordered these. Yes, they had their, they had their remnant sale, and so I ordered some waxed cotton. Again, I have no idea what I'm going to use this for, but I'm sure it'll be something cool. So I got the Coyote brown, which I love. It's like it's almost like what you would see a cowboy, I feel like. Cowboy chaps? I don't know. If I was a cowboy, this color chaps I'd have, but again, I love that pretty wrinkly. Oh, and I think they call this one Forest, but I'm not entirely sure. It's so pretty. Oof. And then, of course, this is my favorite, the Mermaid Teal. I remember seeing these in person for the first time at Quilt Market last October, and every single color is so beautiful, but I've always been attracted to really bright colors, so like purple and teal. Which is really interesting because when I sew, you'll see a lot of earth tones, so it's just kind of funny. Oh yeah, and then I got a yard of this apricot. Ooh, this would be a cool duffel bag. That might be something I do with this. Duffel bag with cork bottom maybe, and cork straps. Just thinking. All right, let's see. And so I'm going to be making a new backpack for Fabric Funhouse for display at QuiltCon. Hopefully it'll be happening this year. And if it will, then you'll see me there with them. I am making them a range backpack out of the Sandstone. I guess I'm sort of throwing things. I can move them nicely. So out of the Sandstone. Let's see, let's move it down some. Oh, and two different wax cottons. So the light gray and the dark gray. I think one's charcoal. I can't remember the name of the other one. Let me see. They sent me another ring. Let's see. So, oh, they're not labeled. Well, charcoal and another gray. But so those two with this Sandstone is going to be Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to get that going. Now we'll just have to figure out what lining we want. But yeah, so anyways, that's my haul from Fabric Funhouse. Alright, so I hope that everybody enjoyed me going through my packages that I had almost forgotten that I had ordered, because I'm good like that. This is my first unboxing video, so I hope it wasn't super boring or cheesy or whatever, but anyways, either way, thank you for joining me. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I ordered, and I will do my best to get you links. And then also for Sallie Tomato, I have a rewards number, whatever, link. If you want it, check it out below. I'll put it in the description box. But what it's for is when you spend $10, I'll also get a $10 kickback. So that would be awesome, and it's a win-win for both of us. So let me know, or not really let me know, if you want to use it, look in the description box and find it there. And then, yeah, a little bit of back scratching for all of us. Anywho, do me a favor and subscribe and press the like button and maybe share with your friends or whatever. I don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to say hi, and I figured why not do an unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you're having a great and wonderful evening and staying safe.